Hi everybody, it's NAVIFORCE here. Today we are going to show you an unboxing review of our men's quartz watch. The model number is NF9196S and NF9196D. Let's start. As you can see, the box is pretty textured. Let me open it and introduce what I will bring you today. When you take out the inside box, you can see there is a guarantee card. And also there is an instruction manual. It is quite clearly to teach you how to adjust your new watch. Here is the multifunctional watch that I will talk about today. Firstly, let's look at the back side. You can know the model number of this watch and some other information of the back stainless steel and waterproof for up to 30 meters. The case diameter of this model is 44.5 mm and the thickness is 14 mm. The total length of this watch is 245 mm. The color matching of the strap is also fascinating. It really has very nice quality and it can bring you a sense of the symmetric beauty. And this model makes use of the safety folding buckle. It makes it more convenient to wear and feel at ease. Let me show you. It is very convenient to wear. Okay, now let's jump into more important details about this watch. There are 3 small windows on the dial, and the left side window is the 24 hours display. And the right side window is the week display. And the bottom side window is the date display. So this watch covers multi-dimension time displaying functions Also, the two semicircular windows at the 6 and the 9 o'clock position are just like the mechanical smiley face, which is highly recognizable. Now let's see the difference between the two models NF9196S and the NF9196D. The one big difference between the NF9196D and the NF9196S lies in the design of the bezel. As you can see, NF9196S has 6 metal decorative nails, but on the bezel, but the NF9196D has 48 shiny crystal diamonds on the bezel. Thus, the style and the application of these two watches is quite different. As you can see, the colors of the NF9196S and the NF9196D are quite different too. This is because the decoration of the bezel and the style and feeling that the watch shows. Now let me show you the more details of different colors. This is silver green. The green dial is really fascinating. Next one is silver black. And this one is solid white. And the last one of NF9196S is the silver blue. Now let me show you all the colors of the NF9196D. This is silver gold. And this is silver rose gold. This one is black rose gold. And the last one of the NF9196D is the color is the solid gold. It's very shiny, right? Okay, that's all unboxing content of NF9196S and the NF9196D today. Please thumb up and subscribe here, as well as follow us on the Instagram and the Facebook if you guys love us and want to see more. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.